what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So go now.
So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is sponsored by Luvmehair. So they sent me over this 5x5 closure wig. It's HD, as you can see, baby, because what lace, okay? And in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how I got this glueless install. Like, I didn't use any glue. I used this got to be sprayed to like melt the front, but I didn't use any glue. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. Thank you. So the box, it comes in this little cute purple box, and then now there's the wig. It's a 5x5 HD closure wig, 20 inches, and you also come with the band attached to it to make your glueless install way easier. I love it because I didn't even like, wow, it's so easy to use. And then in the box, it came with a purple bag. That's where the hair was in there, and then it came with a paper in it. I didn't read what it says because yeah. And then it came with a little baggie. I really love the way it looks because not everyone have that one. And inside the little baggie, there's an edge brush for you to do your edges and stuff. And then a little clip that says "Love Me." And then it has bobby pins. And then it also came with a tweezer. I've never used those tweezers before, but yeah. And then it also came with a wig cap inside the box and a paper that says how to use the hair. So everything you see in the video will be self-explanatory. Just enjoy the video and keep on watching. Friends had me talking, but my headphone broke, and then over here I'm trying to see if it still works, and it did.
countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, when you make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, when you make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love. My love. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love. My love. And another woman that can take your spot, my love.
So this is when I realized that I wasn't recording when I was doing the baby hair, so I look sad. But anyway, Scorpiana.
Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been.
It's really soft. It's not as full as I would like it because I like my hair really full. But other than that, I think it's really nice. It's soft. It was easy to bleach the knots. It was easy to pluck it too. It was pre-plucked, but I went and I plucked it myself because you know the people be lying when they say it's pre-plucked. But anyways, so yeah, get you one. Don't forget to use my code and get you 20% off. Okay.